How to add custom song to alarm on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Clock on your Android device. Then click on one of your alarm where you want to add custom song. After you've clicked on one of your alarms, scroll down and you'll find alarm ringtone. Click on alarm ringtone in here. After you click on alarm ringtone, you will find ringtone from internal storage. Click on ringtone from internal storage. After that, you'll find all the audio available on your device. Select the custom song you want to add. After you've selected the song, go back. After that, at the bottom right, click on Set Alarm and you're good to go. This is how to add custom song to alarm on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.